Okay, so today is September 10th. The assignment today was an enrichment worksheet. It was assignment number 6. And the worksheet looks like this, with the problems down at the bottom. They're all lettered. In class, we went over WL. So in this video, I'm going to pick another one to go over. And we're going to go over letter II. So we're going to go over problem II. II is 2 is less than 5 minus the absolute value of x minus 17. So to solve this problem, we first need to get rid of this 5. So to get rid of the 5, we subtract it. So minus 5 minus 5. 2 minus 5 is negative 3. Bring down the less than. Bring down that minus sign as a negative. Absolute value of x minus 17. The next thing we need to get rid of is that negative sign with the absolute value. That's like a negative 1 times absolute value. So the opposite of multiply is divide. So I divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. Negative 3 divided by negative 1 is positive 3. When I divide by a negative, that inequality sign has to flip. So I flip it around, and I keep absolute value of x minus 17. Now, in all these problems that we do, we always have the variable on the left side. Ours is on the right, so let's flip it around. So absolute value of x minus 17 is less than 3. So this is a less than problem. So less than is an and problem. When we do and, it's x minus 17 is less than 3, and x minus 17 is greater than negative 3. But instead of writing it twice, we put it together in one compound inequality. So negative 3 is less than x minus 17, yeah, that's 17, is less than 3. And now we solve this in one step. We add 17 everywhere. Negative 3 plus 17 is 14, less than x, less than 20. So that's our solution. To do the puzzle, the 14 gets an I, the 20 gets an I, and you can fill in your puzzle and get your answers that way. So remember, you're going to use opposite operations. You're going to flip the inequality sign when you divide by a negative, and then make sure your variable is on the left, and then you can take it out of the absolute value and make your and statement. And then solve it. Make sure it's smaller number, less than x, less than the bigger number. The first number gets the first letter, second number gets the second letter to do the puzzle.